Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change app icon in Kahoot. Let's say you don't want the app icon you're using presently, you want to change it, so let's do that. After launching your app, you click on your profile picture at the top left corner, then you scroll all the way down to app icon, which is the last option, and click on it. Right now we're using the default app icon, which is the purple, white on purple. You have other options like white on red, white on yellow, white on blue, white on green, white on black, and white and black on white. So let's say you want to use another one. Let's say I want to use this one. I select and click on save. Now it's not possible without being on a plan. So you see, we have different plans. The basic plan does not allow you to change the app icon, but if you choose to subscribe to the bronze plan or silver or gold plan, then you'll be able to change your app icon. Now if you are subscribing to the bronze plan, you pay 7,166.67 naira a month, and you get engaging lessons, player limit of 50, and the rest of this information here. So if you are choosing the Kahoot silver plan, you pay 14,233 naira 33 kobo, and then you get all this, and you can also change your app icon. If you choose the silver, same thing, 14,233 naira 33 kobo. You can also change your app icon. If you choose gold, also you can change your app icon, but you can get a free trial for the gold, 7 days free trial for it. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.